Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches, we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 116655. This watch contains a random serial number indicating that it was produced by Rolex in the year 2019 or later. The characteristics include a black rubber Oysterflex strap with an 18-karat everose gold Oysterlock clasp. The dial is black with rose gold, trimmed chromalite luminous hour markers, and hands. The case is 40mm, 18-karat everose gold with a matte black ceramic rotatable bezel, and has an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number, as well as a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, and contains an automatic 3-1-3-5 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with the Rolex box, booklets, wallet, hang tag, and a Rolex warranty card. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking in the link in the description below or by searching for Bob's Watches 116655 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.